Good morning from the South Wales valleys. I'm in a little place just south of Merthyr, and I've just come up from the town, and we're just ascending up. I think this is the right way up this track. I'm just going to take care of the lead a sec. There you go. And we're on a unplanned walk today, doing a hill on Kev's miners list called Mynydd Cilfach-yr-Encil. I believe it's pronounced. I think I might have got that completely wrong. I was planning on going to the Black Mountain today in the Western Beacons and doing a walk there. It's a nice cold but sunny morning, but things messed up spectacularly, so I'll bring you back in a bit and tell you about that. So this hill I've seen many times on the drive to Penarvan, but I've always bypassed it for the Brecon Beacons, and it always looks impressive because it's very steep, and this is a very steep rocky track actually going up, but it's one I've bypassed, but it's on the miners list, so today I'm actually going to walk it, which is cool. I've been really bored for 3 weeks. I haven't been very well, so it's really nice not to be bored anymore. Just within like 5 minutes of walking, I'm just not bored anymore, which is really nice. It's so nice to be out. It's like the freedom, liberating, peace. Oh, I just feel like all the stress coming out of me. It's so nice to be out. Oh, feeling a bit ropey still. Not to make this a log of my viral illnesses, but the kids brought back a horrible, like, I'm sure it was COVID, because we had a temperature and my wife lost her sense of taste and smell. So, and we were all still quite tight-chested. So I apologise for any coughing and wheezing or anything on the way up, but we've been really ill actually for a couple of weeks with sort of bronchitis type thing. Anyway, hopefully if that is COVID, it's out of the way. But it's nice to be out again. Oh, this is steep actually, rocky, definitely rocky. So, right, I'll bring you back. So I've just hit some glorious sunshine. It really is a gem of a day. Going up there is a fair bit of climb left to do. This path is really good, really good. Nice and lofty, dry, and sort of nice firm rock under the feet. Yeah, it's good. I started by those kids down there playing football, and they look like tiny little ants here from now, so we've definitely come up a fair bit. View into the River Taff. Yeah, it's nice. So I'm gonna see this woodland here. I'll have a look on the map and that will help orientate me as to where I'm going. So we're gonna crack on for a bit, and next time I'll tell you about my calamity. So yeah, it's led to pretty bad bog, this. I don't know why I decided to wear my summer boots that aren't waterproof. I think I've just got some sort of brain drain at the minute. But yeah, so I prepped really well to go to the Black Mountain, as I thought. And the forecast changed where more westward there was quite a lot of rain showers from about 11, which is fine, bring a raincoat. But I forgot my raincoat, so I was by sort of Ebbw Vale on the way there, and I realised it's dawned on me. I thought, oh god, and it's 3 degrees outside. I thought actually if I'm up in the higher Black Mountain 3 degrees and get really heavy rain, you can chill down quickly. I just thought this is just stupid. It's completely stupid. So, and as I was on my way, let's just say politely that nature called. So I stopped at a petrol station in Merthyr that was probably the dirtiest toilet I've ever had to use, and then they didn't have any soap, so I went into the garage forecourt to see if they had any hand gel, and they didn't have any. I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm not obsessed with hand hygiene, but you've got to draw a line somewhere. I mean, that stuff's basic. So I had to then go to Asda in Merthyr to go and wash my hands. And by then, I think my hopes and dreams of the morning had been shattered, really. So I'd run out of time. So I sat in Asda car park in Merthyr, A, wondering where my day had gone, and B, contemplating my life. But then I realised, in a ray of hope, about the miners list. So I thought, which is the nearest one to here that I haven't done? And this is it. So we're here, we're back with a vengeance, and we're gonna try and get up to the top of this mountain. So we're on the sort of top plateau now, which is like a big sort of whaleback ridge. We're roughly going through the middle of it. I remember from watching Kev's video that this is ideal for a winter walk because the top is all like a nice dry road. So that's going to be great to save wet feet, certainly when you've forgotten your waterproof boots. The forecast in Merthyr was dry until 2 p.m, so I think it was the right decision. Even at 400 metres here, it's exceptionally cold up here with an icy wind, and I think if I was soaked through as well from a shower, that'd just be stupid. I think probably about 95% of sticky situations we get into in hill and mountain walking is through our own ego and hubris, and I think that it's really important to know when to quit, or certainly when to change plan, and it's something I've been trying to work on through the years. I don't get it right all the time, but today was definitely a good decision. Oil ponies. To go up to the summit. So there's some cool boulders up here, and this part of the hill is more reminiscent of like a tour in Dartmoor. Very similar rocks. Yeah, it's cool. Kind of Dartmoor Valley style, so we've got sheep and cans of Stella. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Big views. Definitely. I think we're nearly at the top. Bring it back in a minute. Big views, yeah. Central beacons and the valley. Yeah, it's good. One thing as well that was mentioned when I watched the video of this one was the locals have kept it free from fly tipping and reclaimed the mountain. So, and I've seen no litter at all. It's really nice, which is a problem you'll realise when you start walking in the South Wales valleys. But it's certainly Baltic up here. We're almost at the top now. Bring it back. So this one doesn't have a cairn, and it doesn't have a trig, but it has got a summit signpost, which looks kind of like ghastly a bit. But yeah, there you go. I guess the top is here. There's a kind of a summit with stone or something. Anyway, gonna think about a return leg. But there's a very good 360 here, and an amazing view of Pen y Fan and Cribyn. Really good. Definitely an enjoyable walk so far. I'm going to head down here, I think, and loop round, and I'm going to try and find the crag edge, which should be quite nice. She hasn't been well this week. She's had 2 days where she was all frozen up, and she would yelp every time you went to pick her up. Really, we were quite worried, and then suddenly one evening she just went completely back to normal. It's very odd. She's full of energy on this walk. So we're just coming through the sort of top loop now. I'm going to loop back round along this kind of craggy edge path, and I'll see if we can get some views from there. So this is the craggy edge here. Just being careful here because the grass is quite spongy and wet, so I'm just going to check if that's alright, that's stable. It's good views. Fairly decent drop down there. Yeah, cool. Right. Let's come away from the edge. It's quite slippery there, I just had to be quite careful. Yeah, it's cool. Okay. That's the craggy edge. That's what you can see from the road. Let's try and get down. Okay, so we'll make this the last one. We're on a bit of a crappy path actually, but I'm hoping it just opens up into that field and I can cut the gate there. And that diagonal goes down to that massive industrial estate. So yeah, this looks cool though. Or under the crags. They're quite impressive ones actually. They're really good. So yeah, wasn't what we planned today, but it's been really nice to get out. Actually have reached my limit with this walk now in terms of my chest is pretty bad still actually. I thought it was better, but it's not. But there you go. It's nice to be out, and hopefully we'll be back again soon. Sorry, I just thought I always do this. I just thought I'd show you the quarry on the way down. This is really cool actually. So certainly fits the theme of the miners list. Quite impressive. But yeah, lovely. So been a really good walk. Quite chilly now, but gonna get back. Got a nice chicken and ham and leek pie that I've made, and I'm gonna wash that down with I've got a 15% Chateau Neuf de Pape. So if anything if anything's gonna warm me up, then it's gonna be that. So yeah, also might feel a bit skew if after a couple of glasses of that, but there you go. I'm off work on Monday and it's going to torrentially rain all day, so I don't really have to do a lot. Actually, I should probably avoid my wife listening to that last bit. Right, see you again.